Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do things a little different from what we normally do. This past summer we did a lot of traveling and I recorded a lot of video, but I didn't publish it. So there was a couple of month gap where I didn't put any videos out. So we're going to backtrack a bit and edit and publish those videos. So today's video is on a car museum with Harvest host in Illinois. So it was an awesome place. Come check it out. Without further ado, here's the video. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of RV Tips and Trips. Today we are at another Harvest host here in Illinois, Effingham, Illinois, called Mid America Motorworks. And they have a Corvette museum back there. And it's a really interesting place. So the museum's over there. This is where I checked in actually. This is actually an authentic mobile gas station that was moved here. So pretty awesome. And they allow us to park over there. We could have parked over there by that ramp. So, not bad. Cool little gas station. Cool.
That one says 24, that one says 29 and a half. That one says 24.
Yeah. Huh. Wow, look at that, 24.9 cents a gallon. I remember when I first started driving in 1974, it was 17 cents a gallon. Not that long ago. Some old Volkswagens. Half a Corvette on the wall. It was pretty awesome. Like I said, if we didn't have Harvest Host, we would be missing places like this along the way, you know. So is that Saturday 9 to whatever? Okie dokie. $600 of best in offer.
Man, are you my Harvest guest?
Yes.
Okay.
We're the only ones tonight?
One more coming later, I think.
Are we okay the way we
Just
parked it?
fine. It's a weekend. We do have about 20 Corvettes coming in just a little bit.
Oh wow.
So you'll get to see all those.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a wind-up thing on the back. Okay, there's keys in the ignition. This one's all decked out.
Did you see little flames on the back for the blinker?
Oh, yeah.
And for the backup lights.
Cool. All right, let's go inside the museum. So when you come in, you got the gift shop to the left. That looks awesome. I can't wait to go through all that stuff. And then the museum over here. That is quite a Hot Wheels collection. Wow. The last C4. Oh wow.
I like this one.
Well, look, this is still in the wrapper. The original sticker. 42,000. 1996. This-
The tires look brand new too.
Commemorating the last C4, June 21st, 1996. Last one.
I like this one.
All right, so if you like Corvettes, well, heck, if you like cars, this is a good place to stop by. They have an interesting museum, and you get to see all sorts of interesting facts about the Corvettes and the manufacture of them and the race cars. Also a super gift shop with all Corvette related stuff. We bought about $28 worth of Corvette stuff. We got these coffee mugs that come in actually a bag for $5 each. Got a Corvette t-shirt for $5. So you can find some really good buys. They had really nice Corvette leather jackets. They were rather heavy. They were too big in size for me. They only had the extra large ones for $50 on clearance. I mean, real leather jackets with Corvette logos on them. So great place to stop. Like I said, if you're into cars, especially Corvettes, then you should not miss this stop with Harvest host and Mid America Motorworks. So besides having the museum, they also ship accessory parts for Corvettes out of here, and they accessorize Corvettes and do custom work. So a very interesting place. All right, if you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you watched it to the end, then if you would please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and give us a like, and don't forget to share. All right, until next time, happy camping. Bye now. Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.